Importance and usage of pivot tables. The example you just saw gives the glimpse of the power of pivot table. I have given a very meaningful touch to a word pivot. Prolific, intriguing, versatile, omnipotent tool. The ideal situations where pivot tables serve well include: you have huge transactional level source data. You need to find trends for multiple time periods. Your source data keeps on changing and updating. You need to present reports in graphical form. Your reporting formats are changing frequently. These are just indicative points. In actual, there is no limit on how you want to make use of pivot tables. This is how pivot table is an important addition in your portfolio of skills. Pivot tables has got some rules you have to follow in order to use them smoothly. Let's have a look at some basic rules of pivot tables in next lecture.